Durham housing stats are now in, and depending on your situation, this market could actually be working in your favor. Across Durham region, December saw 455 sales, up over 12% year over year, while the average price was $844,000, which was down 9%. That tells us that buyers are active, but they're more selective and value driven. So let's break it down a little bit more locally. Now, Ajax remains one of the tightest markets with prices around $921,000 and a strong 43% sales to new listings ratio, bringing us into a more balanced market with under 3 months of inventory. Now, Pickering averaged $934,000 with inventory climbing to 3.7 months, giving buyers more time to negotiate. Now, Whitby saw prices ease to $948,000, while new listings jumped nearly 26%, increasing buyer choice. And Oshawa continues to stand out for affordability, with prices around $730,000 and having steady activity. And Clarington has a renewed momentum, with sales jumping by over 130%, while prices leveled off at $780,000. Region-wide, Durham region's sales to new list ratio sits at 39%, which has us teetering on the brink of a buyer's market and a balanced market, while homes are taking about 60 days to sell. Now, what does this mean for you? Well, for first-time home buyers, more listings and longer days on market means less pressure, fewer bidding wars, and more room to negotiate. For move-up buyers, softer prices and balanced market conditions means that you might sell for a little bit less than you planned, but that new property could also cost a lot less than you thought, which means the numbers can still play out in your favor. And for downsizers, lower buyer demand means that it might not be the best time to sell. However, the buildup in equity over the last 10 years might still put you in a good equity position. My advice would be to sit down and crunch the numbers to see if selling now makes financial sense for you and your family. If you want to understand how these numbers fit your plans, book a virtual coffee with me for a hassle-free chat about your housing goals.